Amazing good. Hello guys, good evening, good morning. How are you? Let's make something simple for dinner, okay? Tortilla wrap. Tortilla wrap is a popular food for Spanish people and it's light. If you want to lose weight, put this on your diet more. I have my cheese here, all right? Like this cheese stick, mozzarella stick. I have my toothpick. The filling, I'll show you. So just grab this thing. I love to craft my food. Always be crafty for your food. All right. The four corners. So I'll do this off camera because of time. Just putting the stick into the cheese through the tortilla wrap. And remember, it's stick, so it's not going to burn. All right. So I'll go ahead and do all the four corners. Okay. As you can see, I create a hole. Now you can get tomato sauce, any sauce your choice, like Prego or any choice. I have my tomato sauce ready. I made it last week. So spread any amount. So it's like you are making homemade pizza. I don't joke with my food. I always be grateful. Alright. Now I have my lunch meat here. You can use pepperoni, you can use anything, your choice. I'm using turkey breast. Take a little bit of it. All right. Then your cheese. Any cheese your choice. I'm using Mexico cheese blend. You can use mozzarella cheese. Now you put a slice of onions. And pepper. You can use any topping, your choice. Going to use green pepper. As you can tell, one is done. This is with turkey or lunch meat. I'm going to make one with another filling. Okay, let's make another one. In case you didn't see what I did, mozzarella stick 4. All right, all the 4 corners. Then I fold one here, like fold, and use the stick, toothpick. Just want to be creative, that's all. Fold the other side too. I'm doing that. Create something there so I can put my filling in. Okay, this is the one I create first. I use onions, green pepper, and lunch meat like pepperoni or turkey breast, and I use pepper onions. This is the second one I just create. I'm doing two. My son don't like my filling. Like I'm going to use tuna, and he doesn't like tuna. So I'm using my own filling. Is it not beautiful? Like create your own preferred design food. I have mushroom here. Let's put a little bit of mushroom. You can use any filling your choice. I have my tuna. Get a little tuna. Sprinkle a little tuna on top of it. Tomatoes, mushroom, and tuna. Onions. This is all my preferred filling or topping. You can use any topping your choice. So mozzarella cheese comes. Okay, let's sprinkle cheese. This is going to go in the oven until the cheese melts, because everything here is pretty much cooked. You can eat it raw. You can eat onion raw. The tomato sauce is cooked. The tortilla wrap is cooked. Just let the melt. It's going here in the oven until it get melt. All right, so see you in 15 minutes. Okay, look at that. Now our pizza is ready. Ready. Let's take the stick out. Oh my goodness gracious. It doesn't look good. I always say create your own food. Create your own recipe. I tell you, it doesn't look like pizza outside. The one with mushrooms and the one with the pepperoni, the turkey, what do you call that? The lunch meat, because my son don't like tuna. This has tuna. You see, the tuna is here, the mushroom and everything. It looks so good. You see how you took your tortilla wrap to the highest level? Let's transfer to the plate. Transfer another one to the plate. It doesn't look good. So this is the end of my tortilla wrap pizza. It doesn't look good. It looks amazing. Someone will come to your house and you cook this food for the person will think, what is that? You know, let's get a little salad. This is not simple, amazing, some conscious, delicious, and appetizing. This is the end of my video. Please, if you are bored, you don't know what you should do, if you are eating one food and you are tired of it, you want to create something, go ahead and create your own food that will change the dinner, and your mind will tell you you are eating something different. It will be the same ingredients, the same thing, but sometimes when you create and you change the way you put it together, it makes it look so good. It makes it look so delicious and amazing and appetizing. Okay, thank you so much for following me step by step. Next week I will bring more creative food for you. It's gonna be so good. My son likes cheese that is brown. If you don't have oven, you can put it in the frying pan and lower the heat and put your cheese on top. The cheese will melt and it will get even crunchier than the oven. All right. Thank you so much. I always said, don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family Chef. Let's try. Maybe I need a knife to cut it off. Cut it open. Let's see if I can get it off. Oh my God, it's hot. Okay, let's try it. You know, Family Chef, I always try. My God, it looks so good. Everybody, nyankopon. I am the comfort food queen. It looks so. Everybody, look at how this looks so amazing good. Okay. All right. Goodbye. My mouth is busy. I can't talk. It's a little hot.